Hello everyone. Welcome to Travel Eat. Glenelg in South Australia is one of the most popular locations for visitors to Adelaide. Glenelg is about 11 kilometres to the southwest of the Adelaide city centre. It takes 20 minutes to drive from the city. The best way to get to here by public transport is to catch the tram runs every 20 minutes. Moseley Square is at the end of Jetty Road and is the end of the line for the Glenelg to City tram. It is surrounded by restaurants, cafes, and boutique shops. The square has several palm trees, an impressive marble pioneer monument and a large water feature. The Visitor Information Centre offers essential South Australian tourism information and helps to plan your travel itinerary. You can take a 35-metre height ride on the giant wheel overlooking Moseley Square. There is a nice free playground between the beach house and the jetty. You can take a walk, relax or play some beach sports here. The beach is a long stretch with white sand and shallow and calm waves, perfect for young or less confident swimmers. Moseley Beach Club is one of the best Glenelg tourist attractions. At Moseley Beach Club, you'll get a similar atmosphere to Bali. Entry to the Moseley Beach Club is free, but it costs to hire a lounger or a daybed if you want to. There are plenty of drinks and food options for your enjoyment. The Beach House is a family amusement centre right on the beach and is one of the best things to do in Glenelg with kids. There are many activities including bumper boats, dodgem cars, water slides, mini golf, and games. There is no entry fee, you just need to buy cards with a credit and pay per game. I hope you find this video useful to plan your trip. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your support. Have a safe and exciting journey.